get up, get about, and do the right thing. Yes, man. A special shout out to Ian's record, you know. Yes, man. Dropped by a few days ago, and give us a helping hand. Yes, man. Paint up the welcoming sign to Trinityville. It's a blessing, man. Real blessing, you know. Stay strong, bro. Go on, typical Jamaican, living a typical life. Yeah, man. But this morning, I'm up and about and shop me there. Yeah, man. Just keeping it natural, you know. Oh, yeah. Just I remember, you know. Yeah, man. I run go fun till. Yeah, man. Some of the time, I wish I could have filmed most of the time when I'm up and about. But what happened is that the phone I run out of charge. Yeah, man. So I have to keep it close to the current source. Other external charger, a portable charger, but funny enough, from the other day it dropped and I don't know it warm with it. Now functions right, but so yeah, we have to do what we have to do. Yeah, man. So what happened is that I run go fun till and I never catch enough footage, but you know me already. Still I show you all around, so just come my yard, man. This is it. Really hard.
You have to do it thing right just to win on it.
Bro,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, we always keep it positive. Most naturally. I'm in the countryside, you know me already. They are bunk some music and I just wake up and they are shop, yeah, man. So blessings to you all and stick around, man. This is hard, really hard.
Happy New Year! Yeah, man, Happy New Year!
Break down the money. For breakfast, 2 fried dumpling. Yeah, man, and some porridge. You know the energy go. Country. You know, it's a rough task. My run come up. Fun till. Yeah, man, they are fun till. You know me already. Ever make a always up and about. Yeah, man, but oh my realm. I come check with one of my classmates. Yeah, man. Dexter, big up yourself, you know, bro. God, go and put in the work and do the right thing daily. Yes, connect with somebody, you know. You know, go. So, because sometimes they're not fulfilling in the ball. So, when I see the general. Yeah, man. So, I run go back home, man. You know me already. I never carry you all with me. I'm going to so. Yeah, this is yard, you know. Fun till. It's a blessing. Take time and come off for the like a day like Steve.
yard life. And if you're there, California under the prettiest light, when a Christmas time just come to Jamaica yard life. Still a cook we goat and we write rice, soup in a pot and it full up of spice. Cold dragon, cold red stripe, entertainer at short from mic. As Jamaican in the war we polite, so Jamaican yard life.
Blessings.
Acting ballad, acting rasta. No for blaspheme, them just a play pasta. Tell them, everybody right now a actor. Them say people so poor and the church them so royal. Them are just casual, we are just formal. Here we go, and care for the pastors. While some of we are fear live like bastard. The church you worship in a pretty than your house. Or you figure the cheese go put in a rat mouth. You can't pay the bills, the light just went up. But as you reach in a church money you a fork out. Government tax everything, them not check church. I must have got them afraid that the whole of them curse. You know how much money them are making at the church. Them a rob the people and a put God first. Everybody dress up in high quality fashion. They shoot the hat and the skirt with the pattern. Them bush from head go straight to foot bottom. Me laugh when me see them is a sight for me look on.